So in this video, we're going to quickly go through the lazy instancing geometry setup that is available to download. Check it out below. Let me just quickly give you a quick run through on what it does. Let's just turn on visibility so we can see everything. And if I find this arrow, where are you? Where is she? We select everything. There it is. There's one. We can see how we've got these arrows all set up. If I go Shift D and just duplicate, you can see how we're creating instances around the place. And you can see, even though we've got quite a few flowers and I am in rendered mode as well in Eevee, it is looking pretty good. So depending on whereabouts I've got these pieces, let's just move it over into an empty spot. I can go up high and then have a few petals, go down, flowers, not petals. And you can see how we're using this instancing setup. But let's say I don't want flowers, which, you know, might be the case. I am actually going to come in here and we're just going to delete all those assets. I'm going to delete everything but one. So Control I, delete vertices. If I go back into object mode, Control V, I'm just going to paste in my slum buildings, which is available on Gumroad. There's a pack that I just recently released. However, it will be coming on Blender Market soon. Let me just move these now into scattered grounds. There we go. We can see. We put in the scattered grounds collection, so we can have down the bottom here, we can have our collections. Let's probably just change the size of these buildings by coming over here and setting our scale minimum maximum. Now they're buildings. I'm just going to 0.01. I think might be still a little bit too big. Nope. All right. So we've made them pretty tiny. Let's just bump it up a little bit. All right. You can see that we've still got the flower settings on. That's why they're rotated a bit weird. So we can set the random angle 0 and 0. And now look at that. We've just created some slums. That's pretty cool. If I want to increase the size of these slums, I can go into edit mode. Let's select our point, Shift D. And I'm just going to move it along. There we go. Look at that. Nice. Wow. Actually, that's not too shabby. Shift A. Let's actually Control Alt Numpad 0 to set our camera here. Wow. I'm going to change the material of the ground to maybe like a dark brown. That's purple. Good try, Marco. Maybe a lighter brown. Let's select this, depth of field, f-stop, Let's find our camera focus. Where are you? Over here. Cool. GZ. Bring it up. Back into camera mode. And let's kind of bring it like this. Sick. Wow. Lazy instancing. Go check it out.